Miss Boards here. I'm just popping on to show you a strategy called anagrams. Anagrams are straight from our letters handbook, and it's an activity that's multisensory, and it gets kids to start to build sentences with important words or phrases that come directly from the text. So this is a text-dependent writing strategy. It usually can be paired with anything that's from nonfiction to fiction. For the example today, you're going to see a nonfiction focus on amphibians. So all that I did was I would go a couple days in advance, read what we're going to be focusing on for that day, and pull out any keywords or phrases that I wanted. Then what I would do is I would make multiple copies of this so that I would cut out these, and I can either put students in pairs or small groups, and their only job then is to build a sentence using the words provided. So you might get things like amphibians are cold-blooded. You might have a group that says amphibians are cold-blooded and a vertebrae. And you want to make sure that they put their period where it's supposed to go, so that you're also teaching in a little bit of that grammar. As things go, you might have kids say amphibians might say that they live in water. And after you walk around and you see all the different sentences that kids are building separately, you can bring all of those different sentences together to help build a class paragraph on whatever topic. And that begins to build their understanding of sentence structure at the individual level, and then as well as embedded in a paragraph. Hope that helps. Have a good rest of your day.